Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add columns on your documents using Google Docs. Once you know it, it is a very simple and easy process. So let's get started. First of all, find the Google Docs on your home screen. Now open it. Once you open the app, choose one document that you want to add the column. Simply tap on it. Then here you can find the option which is a pencil icon. Now tap on it. Then there is a plus sign button at the top right corner. Now tap on it. Here you can find the option of table. Simply tap on it. Here you can find the option of columns. Tap onto the arrow button of the column and choose the number that how much you want to add the columns. After that, tap onto insert table. Finally, here you can see the columns has been added to your document. Now choose whatever you want to add on your columns like this and edit your document. And that's it. This is how you can add columns to your document using Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.